Welcome at the Local Shooting Range in Doha, one of the prime venues in Qatar sports stadiums actually, and it has hosted several important events, important in the Qatar tournament history. We are here with my colleague Armstrong, and he has been a veteran in Qatar sports for last 14 years. Armstrong has covered a major of the shooting events in Doha at the same shooting range. So let's talk about the important aspect of the shooting range in molding the Qatari shooters.
This is the only shooting range, and most of the shooters come here, and they have a lot of coaches, so the young and the old. So the seniors and the juniors mix here. And during the championship, international championship or the local championship, there is a lot of interaction between the international shooters who come to Qatar and also the local shooters. And besides, the junior championship also takes place side by side with the seniors events. So the young stars, whom some of the these big stars are idols, so they brush shoulders with them, and they obviously ask for tips for them, and they willingly share with them. So this is like a training ground for a big stars.
Nasser Al Attiyah, the Qatari sports person is an iconic figure among the Qatari sports person. Olympic bronze medalist, London 2012. And another important thing about Nasser is that he's a rallyist. So it's a combination of two talents. And Armstrong must have watched him at this shooting range. So let's ask him what is so special about Nasser, one of the iconic Qatari sports person.
Nasser is most of the time busy with rally as a rally driver, so he hardly gets. So many times he has told us during the interactions we have during the shooting event that he hardly gets time for shooting, but he is an excellent marksman. So he just trains for one or two events, and sometimes he gets perfect score. I do remember before the London Olympic game, here was the event for qualifying, and it was an Asian event, and he didn't qualify before the event. So he shot some perfect 25 out of 25 in one range, and maybe also more 25 out of 25, and he qualified for the London Olympic Games. So he is a ace shooter. So he's a born shooter, you can call him.
Who's the other in the line? Like we haven't heard of much of the young Qatari shooters making big into the on the international stage.
There are a lot of young stars coming. Hopefully we'll hear more of them in the coming maybe 2-3 years down the line. But Khalid Rashid is one shooter who has already represented Qatar in 2 Olympics games, and he has a slim chances of qualifying for the Tokyo Olympic Games. There are also women shooters also. Qatar has been promoting women shooting in a big way. So many young and also the senior stars. So there are a lot of women shooters.
We would like to know, like, Nasser, is he promoting shooting also, or is only focusing on his rally driving competition?
Shooting, he wants the youngsters to come up. He wants the continuity. He wants the continuity to continue with him, because shooting is very popular among the Qataris, and they go for various shooting expeditions. And so shooting as a sport and shooting as a hunting, so both mixed together. So it's like little grooming and little fine tuning. There are a lot of aspects. Just not you have to physically also maintain yourself, eye contact and all that. So these are the aspects he always talks about. So he say he is ready to impart his skills, what he has learned, what he has got from others, and to become a perfect shooter. And as they say, I've been talking to a lot of shooters. Even he now is in his late 40s. still his eyesight is good and shooting is good. And if you see the worldwide shooting scene, there are a lot of shooters who have done great things even in the 50s, winning medals. So as they grow old, it's better.
So which means he still can hit the bullseye even despite that he is on across the over the hill. So that's all about Nasser Al Attiyah and shooting. And this is what we are going to give you an interesting anecdote of the Qatari athletes, the Qatari sportspersons who have made Qatar's name on the international stage in a big way. We are going to bring out the top athletes. We will talk about the Qatari competitions in our show, in our talk show. And do listen to us, do watch our program, and hopefully you will like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
Thank you.